What's up, coaster guys? Here, Nick with Rubber Coasters Events here at Kentucky Kingdom Water Park here in Louisville, Kentucky. And guys, I want to give you an update of show you what's going on with the new over here in 2026 with Test Your Wings. You see already we got the land cleared out right here. Also over there by Lightning Run. And then also over here now, you can see where they fenced off where Annie B's and Scoops is at, where you see the fence. Also, where Breakdance was at, you can see right there too as well that they already started tearing up the land over there too as well. Also, guys, notice too as well, in front of Annie B's and Scoops, you can see markings. Don't know what that is for yet, but I just want to show you what's going on. Also, right there too as well. Another thing you notice too as well is where Six Flags, where Roadrunner Express was, you can see Wile E. Coyote right there too as well. Once again, guys, get ready to test your wings. What's going on, guys? Nick here, back with Get Ready to Test Your Wings here at Kentucky Kingdom Water Park here in Louisville, Kentucky. And to give you another update, as I zoom back out, guys, I'm going to show you this is the fence now. They moved the fence to where you can go Lightning Run, Scoops, and Annie B's. As of now, this area is now closed off right here by the drink station in Casa Mia. You can no longer go this way. Also, Scoops and Annie B's are closed for the rest of the year, as you cannot go this way as they're getting ready to start doing more construction work, as I'm going to show you up here too as well. As you can see, they're doing more work going across. As you look and see where Breakdance used to be at, now they're over there. As we're going across. But this was the area where you could go to Scoops and Annie B's, but now you can't because they had to go across to break over there too as well. Start doing construction area over there too as well to make way for the 2026 project. But you can still get ice cream in front of the park at Pops, or you can go to Clock Tower too as well, guys. As always, guys, get ready to test your wings in 2026. So I wanted to show you guys this. This is the other side of the fence where Lightning Run and the bathroom is. I can see it is blocked off too as well, to make way for 2026. Another part of it is where you can see markings right here as well. If you look under, you can see the marking. So I want to show you guys this before I leave, but this is all for now, as the park is getting ready for Bourbon and Beyond and Louder on Life Music Festival that's going to go on for the next few weeks until the 26th. At that time, I will not be at the park, but I'll give you more updates around pumpkins at Kentucky Kingdom. I'll see you guys later.